Hello everybody, and congrats for setting up your ProfitTree account. These short tutorials can be found all throughout your ProfitTree account. If you have any confusion on how to use any single part of the tool, these tutorials are going to show you what it is and how to use it to exponentially speed up the amount of sales that you get every single day and every single week in your Etsy shop. So if you just made an account, you probably are on this page here. So basically what we want to do is two things. The very first step is to connect your Etsy shop here. You're going to click connect my Etsy shop. Now, if you don't have an Etsy shop, that is okay. You can still use our product research tools, even if you do not have an Etsy shop. But if you do, you're going to want to go ahead and connect your shop, because later in our other features, like our profit tracking, our product and our listing reports, and our advertising report, right, we're going to want to make sure our shops are connected so we can see all of that valuable internal data about our own shop. The second thing that we're going to want to do is go over to the ProfitTree Chrome extension and add it to Chrome. So this works best on Chrome. A Chrome extension, you just type in ProfitTree Chrome extension. You're going to want to use a Chrome browser for this. When you add this to Chrome, so you would click this button here, it's already added, that's why it says remove. It's going to appear here in all of the Chrome extensions that you have. Now, what the ProfitTree Chrome extension does is that when you go to Etsy and you search for a product, it's going to give you all of these other metrics here for you to find the valuable insights about different listings on Etsy. For example, right, this little red fire emoji is saying that this product has sold at least one time in the last 24 hours, which means it's a very hot product that you are going to want to pay attention to, right? There's other really high level insights like the revenue, the favorites, the age of the listing. But right now, the very first step, like we said, is to go download the Chrome extension and connect your Etsy shop. Now, that is the first step. You can find the tutorial on each one of these when you click on each one of these tools, so you can know exactly how to use it.